Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Blitzcrank in the bot lane, and our runes are Glancial Augment, Hextech, Flash, Raption, Biscuit Delivery, Cosmic Insight, Bone Plating, and Unflinching. We'll be going max AP, see how much AP we get with like Ludens, Companion, and Storm Surge, you know, all the other items. So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
A rolling golem
Where are they?
rust.
Oh, they're probably giving him LH. Wait. Literally support? Alright. Sure. Nice. Going to smash this lane. I have it in my, I feel it in my bones.
Metal is harder than flesh.
Feel it in my veins, guys. Oh, that one being the greatest. I think we would have actually got that kill.
Exterminate. Exterminate.
We could have killed someone here, to be honest, because we both have Ignite. But the sad thing, Ignite can't stack.
Poison fear, fleshling. Bone is a poor alternative.
Get him. Get him. Hey, we have got the power. Yeah, I'm just gonna... There we go. Easy kill. That was easy. Be honest, I think I'm gonna sell these. I really want the Hextech alternator.
As long as it takes.
Alright, done.
An enemy has been slain.
I got Hex. I got Hex Flash. I got this Hextech alternator, so my Q will be doing some decent damage. Let's just try one-shot him.
Precisely.
Anyone see anything? No one saw anything. Alright, cool. Up, sad.
Your team is escaping.
My Q's. I don't have my Q up. If I did, I would have like literally hooked them.
I remain bogus.
Oh my god. How am I missing these? I think I'll just have to remain chill.
Metal is harder than flesh.
Nice. Alright. Blitzcrank 80C. I mean APC.
Exterminate.
Sorry.
An ally has been slain.
I just need my. I really want my level 6.
The magic calls to me.
I'm farming better than a. What can I say? Oh wow. He does not like me. Where is she? See ya. Let me just punch you. I'm gonna punch you. Just punch. I'm just gonna save up for Lost Chapter. I need. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Oh.
Your alternative.
Oh.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Really did? I needed a few more manas to win. See ya. Gotta lie, that was just the easiest thing I've ever done. I really want my chapter. What am I gonna do? I could just hook him in.
I remain focused.
I'm just gonna stay here. Let me just, I mean, not stay here. I'm just gonna go. Oh, nice. I got level 6 now.
Killing spree.
The magic calls to
An
me.
ally has been slain.
Just stay with me. That's all they need to do. I'm actually quite strong. I have 108 AP. Cute. That's 325 damage. That's very surprising. And yeah, we could do a lot of damage. We can.
Golem
Hoss
gathers no
Hextech
trust.
Alternator. That's like a 400 damage Q, guys. It's like a snip boom. See ya. Oh my god. That was the most satisfying clear ever. Hello. Hello, bro. Oh my god, this guy. This way is not having the funnest time. See you later.
Rampage.
As long as it takes.
An ally has been slain.
Your team is escaping.
Oh man. Oh, that's sad. I'm getting that revenge. Going to get revenge. Oh, I got boots. You just get those boots.
Precisely.
Lowies. Some. To be honest, Nilla, he's kind of chilling. I didn't realize how much kills he did.
Live your dream or die in mine.
I remain focused.
I never use Hextech Flash, that's why I'm... Round. There we go. Easy.
The magic calls to me.
Rampage.
Metal is harder.
Boom.
Slain an enemy.
Boom. Boom. Dodge that. No. No, get him. Get him. You. Alright, nice. Got him, right? Yep, nice. Let's crank a diff.
A rolling golem gathers little rust.
I'm fast. Shadowflame will be good right now. Shadowflame. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
As long as it takes.
Let's go. Let's go. I soloed her.
You have slain
I
an
win.
enemy.
Now all I need to do.
Unstoppable.
Whoa, what was that? Whoa, having high ping.
Precisely.
Dominating.
That was just a lag spike. It's okay. Lag spike, I guess.
Remain focused.
I think I could. Oh, this is my time. Boom, run. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Ow. That hurt. Oh no. Me run. I don't want to be a liver. Let's go. I'm a liver. Ha. Phew. I was gonna say, if I died, it's gonna be the saddest moment. Let's get this. Alright. I keep those 439 damage.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Unstoppable. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Bone is a poor alternative.
Dodge that. I really want to flash ult them.
Precisely.
May work, maybe. Just ult that. That was a very interesting.
I
Oh my god. Oh no! 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 No!
An ally has been slain.
I need to farm more. I'm gonna spam my ult. Turbo clear the wave. 430. Wait, my hook does more damage than my health. Alright, fair enough. Because I have Hextech Alternator and that will apply. So this is 85 extra damage. Plus this.
Rolling golem.
This would,
Gather
that'll be like
no rust.
a 700 damage Q, basically. That is very powerful, guys. Plus, you guys can drop a comment to give me some ideas for new season 14 builds. No, it's always helpful. Haven't got them in quite a while.
As long as it takes.
Whoa, what?
Precisely.
Let's go. Okay, you can flash heal, of course. I can see why.
Love your looking.
Ooh.
Legendary.
He's gonna be really greedy for this and try and get.
I remain focused.
Alright.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I really want to kill. See ya. Now you can't play it. Boom. And punch that. Let's get this large rod.
The magic calls to me.
What the hell's that?
Legendary.
I'm surprised I have an F5. Very surprised.
A rolling golem gathers no rust.
Oh, thank you. I just altered because
As long as it
oh man, I was so unlucky. I got my ult back up, so oh, that'll be the coolest thing ever. Between the minions. Oh, he placed the ward. That's where how we knew. Oh, I had a blind shot it. Done. That's sad.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Oh, let's go. And I maybe probably didn't need a flash. Very nice.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Alright, GG. Well, if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what you should do next. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.